Welcome to within. There is nothing outside of you that you need. The light, the clarity, the wind have always lived within. I notice it quietly, not as a thought, not as a plan, as a knowing in my body. I am a mother. Not because I'm doing something right now, but because my body already carries this frequency. There is softness in my chest that wasn't there before. A fullness, as if my heart has more space than it needs and still keeps expanding. I place my hand on my lower belly. There is warmth there, not tension, not fear, a deep, grounded warmth. My body feels capable, strong in a quiet way, not pushing, not proving. I trust my body. I trust its intelligence. It knows how to create life. It knows how to nurture. It knows how to provide. I feel something else too. I'm not alone in this. I am loved, not admired from a distance, but held in partnership. I feel support behind me, a presence that doesn't pressure. I don't need to choose between being a woman and being a mother. I'm both, fully. I'm desired. I am respected. I am protected. Love feels stable here. When I think of the future, my body doesn't dance. There is no panic, no calculating. I don't ask, will there be enough? Because my nervous system already knows there is. Provision feels natural. Money is not a stress signal here. It's part of the environment, like air, like time, like support. I feel abundance as something steady, not exciting, not dramatic, reliable. I know that my family is taken care of. I don't have to sacrifice myself to be a good mother. I don't have to exhaust myself to be worthy. Resources come to me because I'm aligned with life, because I give life gently, consciously. I imagine holding my child, not tightly, not anxiously, but with presence. I feel the weight, warm, real. My breath stays calm. My heart stays open. I don't disappear into motherhood. I expand through it. My child feels safe because I feel safe. Loved because I am loved. I don't need to become this. I already am a mother, a woman, a wife, a source of love and abundance. I allow this identity to settle into my body, not as a fantasy, as truth. Today, I place my hand on my body and speak softly. My life supports me. I let my nervous system believe it, and it does. I am a mother. I am loved. I am provided for within. I am a mother. I am loved. I am provided for within. I am a mother. I am loved. I am provided for within. I am a mother. I am loved. I am provided for within. I am a mother. I am loved. I am provided for within. I am a mother. I am loved. I am provided for within. I am a mother. I am loved. I am provided for within. I am a mother. I am loved. I am provided for within. I am a mother. I am loved. I am provided for within. I am a mother. I am loved. I am provided for within. I am a mother. I am loved. I am provided for within. I am a mother. I am loved. I am provided for within. I am a mother. I am loved. I am provided for within. I am a mother. I am loved. I am provided for within. Stay here for a moment. Let this state settle into your body. Carry it with you. Within, the light is already yours.